What if I told you that your brain is aging right now, not because you're getting older, but because of the small habits you repeat every single day? Most people think that memory loss, brain fog, and slower thinking are problems that only happen in old age. But neuroscience tells a different story. Your brain is constantly changing itself based on how you use it. Every scroll, every distraction, and every repeated habit is teaching your brain what it should become. And the scary part is this: many people are unknowingly training their brains to become less focused, less creative, and less flexible every single day. But here's the good news. You don't need expensive programs, brain games, or genius-level intelligence to keep your mind sharp. In fact, some of the most powerful brain-strengthening habits take only a few minutes a day. Today, you'll learn about 7 tiny habits that can help keep your brain young, flexible, and sharp for years to come. And the last habit might be the easiest one, but it's also the one that most people ignore. So let's get started. 1. Take a different route sometimes. Imagine taking the same route every day. The same roads, the same stores, the same routine. Your brain loves efficiency. When it learns a pattern, it puts it on autopilot. This saves energy, but it also means your brain stops receiving new challenges. Research shows that new experiences activate multiple areas of the brain and help create new neural connections. Simple things like taking a different route to work, sitting in a new spot, or visiting a new coffee shop can make your brain alert again. New experiences are like exercise for your neurons. The more often your brain encounters new things, the more adaptable and flexible it becomes. 2. Read for 10 minutes every day. These days, people consume information all day long, but very little of it requires deep thinking. Social media trains the brain to jump rapidly from one piece of content to another. Reading does the exact opposite. When you read a book, your brain imagines scenes, connects ideas, remembers information, and maintains attention for longer periods. It's like a full-body workout for your mind. You don't need to read for hours. Just 10 minutes of focused reading can strengthen your concentration and mental endurance. This is not a game of speed, it's a game of depth. Because a sharp brain isn't the one that stores the most information, it's the one that can stay with an idea long enough to truly understand it. 3. Practice active recall. Here's a question. What do most people do after learning something new? They read it again and again. But neuroscience shows that trying to remember information is much more effective than simply rereading it. Close your notes, then ask yourself what you learned. This process strengthens neural pathways and improves memory. Think of memory like a trail through a forest. Every time you try to remember something, you walk that trail again, and the trail becomes clearer and easier to follow. Struggling to remember isn't failure. That struggle is exactly what makes your memory stronger. 4. Use your non-dominant hand. This sounds very simple, but its impact can be powerful. Brush your teeth with your other hand, open doors with it, or perform small daily tasks using it. Why? Because when you perform familiar tasks in unfamiliar ways, your brain has to work harder. This activates parts of the brain that usually remain quiet during everyday routines. It pulls your brain out of autopilot mode. It will feel awkward at first, because growth often feels uncomfortable. Just a few minutes of this small discomfort can make your brain more flexible. 5. Spend some time in silence. Today's world is full of noise. Music, notifications, videos. Many people haven't experienced real silence in months. But silence gives your brain something rare: space to think. Studies suggest that quiet moments help organize memories, process emotions, and restore mental energy. You don't need to meditate perfectly. Just sit for 5 minutes without a screen and without entertainment. Simply be alone with your thoughts. At first, it may feel boring, then a little uncomfortable, and eventually, surprisingly calming. Because a sharp mind isn't built only through activity, it's also built through recovery. 6. Learn something new every day. Your brain thrives on learning, not because information itself is important, but because learning signals growth. The subject doesn't matter. A new word, a historical fact, a psychological concept, or a new recipe. Anything. When you expose your brain to new information, you encourage neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to adapt, change, and improve itself. Think of your brain like a city. Every new skill creates a new road, and the more roads there are, the easier it becomes for ideas to move and connect. Small lessons grow over time. One new thing every day becomes 365 new things in a year. So make it a habit to learn something new every day. 7. The last and most important habit: Move your body every day. Most people think exercise is only for the body, but some of its greatest benefits happen inside the brain. Physical movement increases blood flow and oxygen delivery to the brain. It improves memory, attention, and learning ability. Even a short walk can boost mental performance. You don't need intense workouts, just move your body. Walk, stretch, dance, climb stairs, do anything, but keep your body moving. Because your brain wasn't designed to sit in a chair all day. Physical activity is fuel for the brain, and without fuel, even the most powerful engine slows down. Now here's the most interesting part. None of these habits are extraordinary. None of them require special talent, and most of them don't require hours of your time. That's exactly why they work. But your brain doesn't change because of one big decision. It changes because of small habits that you repeat consistently. You're training your brain. The only question is, what are you training it for? Distraction or focus? Comfort or growth? Mental weakness or mental strength? A year from now, the difference between a sharp brain and a slow brain may come down to these small habits that take only a few minutes a day. So don't try to adopt all 7 habits at once. Instead, choose just one. Start today, and give your brain the chance to become a little better tomorrow than it is today. Because a sharp mind isn't something you're born with, it's something you build through your habits. So friends, how did you like these 7 habits? If you learned something from this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and share this video with a friend or family member who might need it.